Everyone keeps asking Amelia the same thing. Why do you look younger than your age? No creams, no surgeries, no expensive supplements. Just one powerful secret, backed by Harvard science, that changed everything. A small shift that slowed aging and made her glow from the inside out. Curious? Let's dive in. A massive anti-aging project is underway at Harvard University. Led by Professor David Sinclair, a pioneer in genetics and aging research, this project has one bold goal: to stop aging. Billions have been invested. The findings? Shocking, yet beautifully simple. After 2 decades of testing every anti-aging method, from pharmaceuticals to herbs, Professor Sinclair said, "If I could give just one piece of advice to everyone, it would be this: eat less." Not just for weight loss, but to switch on the body's survival mode, the real anti-aging system built into all of us. That's exactly what Amelia started doing. She practiced intermittent fasting, just 2 or 3 times a week. After 16 hours without food, her body started regenerating itself, producing fresh cells, burning fat, and reversing damage. Her skin looked younger. Her energy returned. Even her mood improved. No pills, no side effects, just science. She also added cold showers and occasional sauna sessions. Why? Because exposing your body to heat and cold triggers ancient survival genes that strengthen your mitochondria, detox your system, and rebuild you from the inside out. She didn't go vegan, but she shifted 80 to 90% of her meals to be plant-based. Beans, nuts, vegetables, and the rest, just clean, quality meat. That's what fuels the cells, reduces inflammation, and keeps the aging process slow and clean. Amelia didn't waste money on overpriced supplements or sketchy anti-aging products. She avoided the hype. Instead, she trusted nature and Harvard science. The truth is, you can't stop time, but you can control how you age. The choice is yours. Live reactive or live intentionally like Amelia did. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, and share this video with your loved ones. Stay tuned for more powerful health tips coming soon.